It's 9:38 on Thursday, the 30th. I'm not entirely sure what day it is. It's definitely Thursday. I am still poorly. The kids are back at school today though, so that is helpful. None of my fucking batteries have any actual charge in them. I've got viewings today on the house, and tomorrow and Saturday and Monday. Had one the other day. And I could really do without them just because I feel crap. But I will do this viewing. Next one's like in an hour, so I'll do that and then I'll come back and talk to you about everything that's going on because I've had a few questions. Okay, it is 5:25. I still feel like a fucking bag of smashed crabs and dicks. Thankfully Foxy's okay now though, so at least I can hopefully get some sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna have a shower in a minute, see if I can clear my head. I've got like, it's all this bit like all just fucking congested. Had a viewing today and I've got another 8 booked now, I think. So yeah, and tomorrow is the kids' last day at school before the Easter holidays. Saturday they're with me, and then Sunday I'm going to Leeds. I'm going to Leeds to see Ben's sister for a few days. I can't fucking wait. We're gonna cause some chaos in Leeds. So if you're in Leeds, let me know what's fun to do. I'm going because I've got no fucking battery because I still haven't charged the battery. I feel shit. So I'll talk to you tomorrow.